Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this race car building set. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This package has several pieces in it. There is 312 pieces of the premium ABS plastic material that you can build and construct to turn into this model. The pieces have smooth edges, making it also a safe option for kids to play with. And I love that there are clear step-by-step instructions, making it easy and convenient to put this all together. It has an authentic supercar design with various different components like the openable scissor doors, movable wheels, rear wing and decals, and it is so much fun for the kids to be able to build it and play with it after, making it a great option for problem solving and motor skills, and an option for parents and children to bond while building something fun. It is also compatible with many major building brands out there as well. Plus, it's not only great for kids, this is also an exciting and fun option to relax and focus while building this super sports car model after a long day as a way to relieve stress. If you are in the market for a fun, exciting race car building block set, this is definitely worth looking into.